The Akai MPK Mini Play Mark III is not too shabby, especially for a beginner like me with no keyboard or sound controller experience, and also because I'm starting off not connected to a PC, as learning how to use a digital audio workstation at this stage would be one step too far. However, whilst the Mini Play has the keyboard, drum pads, a speaker, internal instrument and drum sounds, and a variety of real-time sound modifying knobs and switches, for me it lacks two significant functions. I'm not sure I understand why Akai did not include the basic ability to record, loop and overdub, which would have raised its standalone potential from a practice keyboard and drum set to a brilliant music making tool when away from a PC. For me, using the keyboard and drum pads at the same time requires the flexibility of a contortionist, which I'm not, and I have to ignore any attempts at changing the sound texture whilst I'm playing. Fortunately, I have a Lekato loop station, and although it means more cables, external speakers and power sources to be able to use it, I can at least start to play around making music instead of simply playing music. Obviously, I use the word music in the most optimistic sense of the word at this stage in my learning. I won't go through how all the functions of the Lekato looper work, as I already did this in another video. But to give you an idea, it allows me to record and save loop tracks, add layers of instruments and sounds, and delete mistakes as I go along, which is probably the most important option given my ability. As a bonus, it's easy to use. The Mini Play is huge fun, and the temptation to use it as a fully fledged MIDI controller with a DAW is high, but until I get some skills it would be a case of garbage in and garbage out, so more practice needed before I attach that USB cable. It's all good.